thought I'd give you a quick wee video to hopefully get you working your launch control, because it is a bit fiddly. Yeah, so you either have it in N mode, or you can have it in N custom one with your ESC sport and everything off. You can have it in drive or manual, doesn't really matter. You go to your N performance screen, launch control active. It lasts for 5 minutes obviously, or you can go in there and activate it through there and adjust your RPM. But when you want to obviously activate it, put your foot on the brake and give your accelerator a quick wee stab. Comes up with launch control ready, adjust RPM. And then you adjust it with this. And then when you're ready, just let go of your brake obviously and you're off. And that's that. And then you're away laughing.